Ever pondered over the propagation process of garlic, the aromatic ingredient that adds a zing to your dishes? Today, we dive into the wonderful world of Allium sativum, better known as garlic, and unravel the secrets of its propagation. Propagating garlic is an intriguing process primarily achieved through cloves, as garlic is a bulbous plant. The journey begins with the selection of garlic bulbs. Always opt for large, healthy specimens, as the cloves from these bulbs will give you robust and flavorful garlic. Once your bulbs are hand-picked, it's time to separate the individual cloves from the garlic bulb. Do this with care, as each clove is a potential new garlic plant. Isn't that fascinating? One bulb can provide several new plants, the magic of propagation. Next, prepare your planting site. Whether you're planting in a garden bed or a container, garlic prefers loose, well-draining soil. So ensure your selected site ticks these boxes. Now comes the exciting part, planting the cloves. Imagine each clove as a tiny spaceship, with the pointed end as its nose. Plant each clove with the nose facing upward, space them about 4 to 6 inches apart, and plant them 1 to 2 inches deep in the soil. Rows should be approximately 12 to 18 inches apart. After the cloves have settled into their new home, water them thoroughly. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Adequate moisture is crucial for proper bulb development. You may consider mulching around the garlic cloves. This helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. It's particularly beneficial in colder climates. Choosing the right growing conditions is essential. Garlic thrives in full sun, so a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily is ideal. Good air circulation around the plants can help reduce the risk of fungal diseases. While garlic doesn't require heavy fertilization, incorporating organic compost into the soil before planting can provide essential nutrients. When the leaves turn yellow and start to dry out, it's time to harvest the garlic. Do this carefully using a garden fork to avoid damaging the bulbs. Post-harvest, let the garlic bulbs cure by drying them in a well-ventilated, shaded area for a few weeks. Once cured, store the garlic in a cool, dry place. Remember, garlic is usually planted in the fall for a summer harvest, or in the early spring for a fall harvest, depending on your climate. Each clove you plant will develop into a new bulb, resulting in a continuous cycle of garlic propagation. So there you have it, the intriguing journey of a garlic clove from being a part of a bulb to becoming a whole new plant. Isn't nature amazing?